latest trends are all about personal expression, sustainability, and playful design, making the casual t-shirt a statement in today's fashion world. One of the biggest trends is the rise of oversized t-shirts, often paired with skinny jeans, to balance out the look. These shirts are not only comfortable but also make a style statement, with large, eye-catching graphics or logos standing out. Street-style-inspired designs, with graphic art, graffiti, and even pop culture references, are dominating the scene, giving wearers a way to express their personality and interests. Our store is now full of all types of shirts: unisex tee, long sleeve, hoodie, crewneck sweatshirt, unisex neck, tank top, racerback, youth t-shirt. Prices start at just $19.99 to suit everyone and all ages. Fitting into the broader movement towards sustainable fashion, repurposed and recycled t-shirts are becoming not only environmentally conscious but also extremely fashionable. In fact, sustainability is one of the main drivers of this trend. Many brands are focusing on eco-friendly materials such as organic cotton, recycled fabrics, or innovative alternatives such as bamboo fiber. Minimalist designs with small, meaningful messages or simple abstract art are increasingly popular in this environmentally conscious space, with an emphasis on quality and ethical manufacturing over mass market appeal.